To change your window size, first move the mouse pointer to the border of the window. The pointer will change to a double arrow, and then you can resize the window either horizontally or vertically, and you'll notice that all the other windows around it update or adapt to the new change automatically. Each manager has its own menu bar, and menu bars, all of the menu bars in Cinema 4D have the following features. They have similar features. They each have submenus. They each have a function where commands that cannot be selected are grayed out. And whenever you enable a function or feature, a little check mark appears next to it. And that's true with all the windows in the program. Now let's talk about the main window here, the view panel. The view panel is a collection of up to 4 viewports. And this is where you build and animate your 3D models. This is the object manager, and it's used in conjunction with the viewport, the view window. And the object manager contains all your scene elements and objects. You can group objects using a hierarchy, which is a common method of organizing elements in a 3D model.